Anicells' mission is to facilitate and even accelerate the go-to-patient process of our customers who have developed a cell therapy process, an ATMP. We are a contract development and manufacturing organization, and we help support and guide the cell therapy developers in bringing their cell therapy product, their ATMP, towards the patient in early phases clinical trials. ATMPs are a novel form of treatment. These are cell therapy products that can really bring a change to patients, especially for patients for which no cure is available yet. In Belgium, we have a pioneering role in the ATMP field. We have a lot of expertise and knowledge, capacities for manufacturing cell therapies here in this very small country. And it's very important that we keep at the forefront of the ATMP field. Anicells is located in the Science Park in Niel, which is in a very central location in Belgium. Also, there's an ecosystem arising here in the region, but also in Belgium, in the ATMP field, which means we can cover the entire value chain of ATMPs, meaning that there are suppliers of viral vectors, partners for manufacturing capacity, and even logistical partners are very nearby. The ATMP field is evolving to a more automized and standardized way of manufacturing. And for that, also Anicells is investing in a portfolio of bioreactors by which we can offer our customers a more standardized way of manufacturing their cells. Not only more standardized, but also less labor intensive, and more importantly, this way of manufacturing would bring the cells faster to the patients, offering them a solution more quickly, which could really mean a breakthrough for the patients. In Belgium, we already have a very innovative ecosystem present in the ATMP field, which means we have all the stakeholders needed to offer a needle-to-needle approach for patient solutions. What we really need now is to work together and to collaborate.